Welcome everyone. This is Irvin here. Welcome to our Forex midweek analysis for the week of October 6th to the 10th. This is just a follow-up video that we are doing. We recorded a video on Sunday, and that Sunday, let me show you the thumbnail for that Sunday video so you can remember that we recorded our Forex weekly analysis same week, October 6th to the 10th. And now what are we doing now? We are doing our follow-up. So we want to see if the data that we gave you guys on Sunday, it is accurate or not. So let's get to work. Let me show you what the market is doing so far. So on Sunday, I did give you guys AUD/USD. I told everyone the following, guys. I told everyone to there are multiple time frame in here, was in a bearish position. Look at here, sell. But on Sunday, guys, when I gave you this video on Saturday, on Sunday, the market was closed, right? So on Friday, last Friday, the market was giving us a pullback as a buy position. So that pullback was still valid. What I told you here was the market still has potential to go up and retest your 50 Fibonacci level. Look at that drawing, guys. So damn perfect. Look at that. So boom, 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 boom. It hit that level. And what happened from there? Look at the levels that I'm drawing here, guys. So damn beautiful. It's just meant to be. And then from there, what happened is boom, the market, I said the market is gonna come back and retest your 61 to your 78 Fibonacci line, our previous multiple time frame green arrow here, evidence 1, evidence 2, evidence 3. So far the market is doing exactly what I told you guys. Last month of September, I think only one trade went against us. I don't know what this week is gonna be, to be honest. I really don't know. I don't know if it's gonna be one or if there's gonna be two. I really don't know. It's a brand new month. It's my birthday anyway. October 24 is gonna be my birthday, guys. But let's see what happened this week. So here, trading multiple time frame, everything is on point so far. But one thing, guys, before I do forget, I think it's very important, I have to mention it to you, is the Forex disclaimer. Remember, guys, I'm not giving you any signal. Neither I'm your financial advisor. The most important here, guys, do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. If you don't know how to trade, guys, ask for help. I'm here to help you guys. If you look, I'm here to help you. If you want me to teach you how to trade, let me know. The link is on the description of this video. Look here, by me giving you a weekly analysis, guy, I give you over 1,200 every week and every month. Exceeded. It's free. I give it to you guys for free, and I do it weekly after week after week and week and week and week. So we do the before and after. That's exactly what we're doing, guys. So make sure, if you guys want to become a member, it's fine. The link is in the description of this video. You can join our multiple time frames so you can start trading with us. So make sure you give us a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, so because it helps the algorithm and our YouTube. Because to be honest, we're super excited, guys. To be honest, we are super excited to give you, what we do here. We do best. So yeah, let's go. All right, so let's move forward, guys. So I'm just super excited for that. All right, the next pair that I gave you guys on our weekly analysis was the following. That was USD Canadian. Did anyone in here, guys, I'm here live with you, did anybody in this chat room here did trade USD Canadian? Guys, do me a favor before we move on as well. It's very important. Remember, if you want the best tips, tricks, analysis, and strategy here on our Forex Trading, guys, channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that bell to be notified so you don't miss any content from us, because it's very important for you guys. I'm taking all my time to give you some free, over 1,200 pips for free. So make sure you destroy that like button so it can help the algorithm or YouTube. All right, let's take a look at our USD Canadian and let's see what's going on with that one. Ready? All right, so here is USD Canadian. Pay close attention what I told you guys. This workout on our favor once again. Multiple time frame is on fire here. Look at here. I knew the market was selling on Sunday. So all I have to say is, guys, the market still has potential to retest at your 23.6 Fibonacci level, which is evidence in here. Look at here. Previous multiple time frame, multiple time frame, multiple time frame, multiple time frame. There were 4 touches in there, letting you know the market was gonna retrace from that point in there. So that's what I named it on the 23.6 Fibonacci level. What happened from there? Yes, the market did reverse a little bit lower, which is fine. And then I said the market is gonna come back and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci line. Perfect hit. Look at that drawing. Look at here. Boom. Look at what I told you. Boom. So then perfect, guys. And then what did I say next? I said the market was gonna continue back down. Look at what it's doing right now. Real time, the market is doing exactly what I told you guys. So far, the month of October, I already gave you how many pairs? 1, 2. So 2 pairs so far are working on our favor. So we are 100% at this present time. Once again, guys, remember, if you want to grab our multiple time frame, the link is on the description of this video. If you don't, anyway, I give you guys every week, every month, over 1,200 free pips analyzing the market with multiple time frames. So stop wasting your money on signals, guys. If you belong to a signal program, ask the following question. Look, we can do a challenge, guys. Let's do a challenge, right? Ask your signal provider, whoever's your signal provider is, ask him, hey, Mr. G, Mr. Beans, what is the market's gonna do in the next hour? Tomorrow, Thursday, tomorrow on Friday, what about Monday, what about Tuesday next week? Ask them that question. You need to know real data. So what is the most of the mentors do, guys? They do this. Pay close attention to what they do. Let's say multiple time frame showed up in here, right? They're gonna tell you, oh yes, multiple time frame showed up in here. If you would have take that buy, you would have make all these pips here. Same thing in here. Multiple time frame come in, then the market, if you would have take that sell, you would have make all that money in there. But what do we do here on this channel, guys? This is where we differentiate ourselves from many other traders, right? We like to give you data that did not exist. All this data that you are seeing now, it was not there on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and today, Wednesday. It was not there. So now what we are now gonna be trading is tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So that's what we do here, guys. That's exactly what you need to be asking your mentor. Ask and put them on the spot. Most likely this is what they're gonna be giving you. Oh, you know what? Nope. I want you to stay longer with me. If I give you this answer, then you're gonna leave and you're no longer gonna be paying for my signal provider. That is BS, guys. Stop wasting your money for real, man. So, but remember, it's up to you. Oh, I'm being honest with you guys. So we are doing our Forex midweek analysis today. This is just a follow-up, but we did recorded this video that I'm telling you, the before and after. This was the thumbnail that we gave you guys on Sunday. It was a weekly analysis. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, I highly recommend everyone to do it, because anyway, you're not gonna miss anything. We're just gonna be giving you knowledge so you can trade with multiple time frame. All right, any question, guys? Any question? Just bear with me. I just want to be honest, guys. If I cannot be more transparent than what I am, I just want to be a very honest trader, letting you know the reality of how to trade the system or what to look at the market. But you're the judge, so you can judge me respectfully. If you disagree with me, it's fine, but in my opinion is you should know exactly every movement of what the market is gonna do in the next hour, and the next days, and the next weeks, and the next month, and the next years, and so on. So let someone teach you that, guys. That's what everyone should know, for real. All right, let's take a look at the next one. The next one, it is our Euro GBP. Who is trading Euro GBP? Let's go. Euro GBP, it is on point as well. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Boom. Multiple time frame was selling. Our TWE was not there, to be honest. This is a new trend, guys. Pay attention. This is a brand new trend now coming in and telling us that we are officially in a sell position, which is good. It's good. So this is what I told you guys on Sunday. I knew the market was selling, so it was not ready yet to be in a buy position. You always wait for at least Monday or Tuesday, to be honest. I tell you guys the market was gonna retrace, retest this previous multiple time frame green arrows in here, this low here, which basically the 23.6 Fibonacci line, but instead the market dropped all the way to the next multiple time frame in here. Now the market is gonna be doing that pullback, so now this is gonna be considered a pullback. So this is a good one, nothing wrong with it. There's plenty of pips in there, to be honest. Maybe 40, 50, but there's plenty of pips in there. Even if you would have put a trailing stop, you still would have actually, I mean, it gave you a lot more than what you thought, you know, but that's perfect. I don't see anything wrong, to be honest. Unless if you let me know, guys, in the comment below if you guys are seeing anything that you need my attention. Don't be shy, comment below. Let me know with confidence, hey Irvin, this pair works against this because of this or that, whatever is in your mind. I'm here for you guys. So it's just, I just wanted to make sure that we all are on the same page, because our goal here is try to collect hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips together, so we can change our life and change our family life as well, so we can collect those hundreds and hundreds of dollars as well. All right, fair enough. All right, so the next pair that I have for everyone, it is shout out to I forgot the name of that person that sent me a message for gold. So Irvin, please don't forget to analyze gold. I want to make sure what is gold gonna do this coming week. So this was me, guys. I did read your question in here, and I knew the market here on gold was selling. So the trend here is selling, but on Sunday, unfortunately, the market was giving us a pullback. Look at how amazing is our multiple time frame. So it was telling us that we were in a buy position, a pullback, right? So I knew the pullback was not over yet. So all this data that you are seeing here did not exist. Remember, that's what we love to do here best. We like to analyze data that does not exist. So I knew the market was gonna come back and retest your next previous multiple time frame green arrow in here. So it came to that level. Look at the drawing that I gave you, right on point, boom. And then from there I said the market was gonna continue what? Remember, the trend here is selling. And then I said the market was gonna continue in a sell position. So right now it's doing it, so nothing wrong with it. It's just being patient. So today is Wednesday, guys. Look at this. So far I already analyzed how many pairs with you. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 pairs are on point, guys. So it seems like this week of October we're starting the month very strong, very solid. So let's see what is the next pair is gonna do, guys. Once again, guys, let me know in the comment below if any of you guys have any question. I'm here for you anyway. If you guys want to join our multiple time frame, I give you here over 1,200 pips week after week, month after month. So come and join us. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you do that. Become a member. There is a YouTube membership in there. If you cannot afford the multiple time frame at this time, you can join that, and then later on we can give you that as a discount. Okay, so join us. And make sure, remember, we're not your financial advisor, nothing like that. All right, so let's go ahead and check the next pair of the day. The next pair that I gave you guys was USDJPY. So look at this, guys. This is amazing, guys. Look at here, multiple time frame was buying. Our TW sniper entry was also in a buy position. So boom, market was still in a buy position. But on Sunday, what we were seeing on Sunday, guys, on Sunday we were seeing a pullback. So pullback was very valid on Sunday. So I knew it was not ready yet to be a continuation of this buy position. So I knew the market still has strength to retest previous multiple time frames. Same thing with TW sniper entry here. So look at my drawing. I said the drawing was gonna come back and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci line. Look at that. From there, what did I say next? I said the market was gonna continue and be in that buy position, retesting your 23.6 Fibonacci, but the market came all the way between the 23 and your 100 Fibonacci line. Now we most likely gonna see a small retracement once again, but this is real data, guys. I'm super excited, to be honest, to tell you there are weekly analysis for this week. It is at what level do you guys think it is, guys? We did it. We just did it together with you. Look at that's what we love to do here best. We like to analyze. So far, guys, we are doing hold on. We are doing at this time 100% 100% winning ratio. So then let's do a WR. So we're doing a 100% in ratio at this time. So hell yeah, guys. Oh, look, start wasting your money on signal, guys. Learn how to trade. Learn how to trade. If you don't have the multiple time frame, the link is in the description of this video. Come and join us. Ask questions. Don't be shy. But look, I give you here a lot of free pips. Like I say, you know, remember what I said, that weekly I gave you over 1,200 pips, either on monthly base as well. So there's always money in there, guys. So what are we doing today, guys? It's very important for everyone to know is, guys, we analyzed today our weekly analysis that we recorded on Sunday, and now we're doing just our follow-up. So this is just a follow-up. Once again, guys, I want to thank everybody for being here, and thanks for watching, and I will see you on tomorrow's video. Don't forget to share it with other fellow traders, social media, whoever you want to, and make sure you do subscribe. Remember, stay healthy. God bless you. God bless our beautiful nation, the United States, and God bless each and every one of your family and the world as well. So peace out. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Hasta mañana.